Welcome to Crack Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Zendikar Rising. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a wildcard token. Our land is a Plains. We have a Deadly Alliance in foil. Then we have Wayward Guide Beast, Kazul's Fury with Kazul's Cliffs on the back, and then Taunting Arbor Mage, Mind Carver, Shell Shield, Blood Price, Broken Wings, Kabira Outrider, Expedition Healer, Cunning Geyser Mage, Kazandu Nectar Pot in Showcase Art, Fissure Wizard, and Glacial Grasp. So again, Glacial Grasp, Fissure Wizard, Showcase Art Kazandu Nectar Pot, Cunning Geyser Mage, Expedition Healer, Kabira Outrider, Broken Wings, Blood Price, Shell Shield, Mind Carver, Taunting Arbor Mage, Kazul's Fury with Kazul's Cliffs on the back, Wayward Guide Beast, which for 1 red is a 2/2 creature with Trample and Haste, and whenever Wayward Guide Beast deals combat damage to a player, return a land you control to its owner's hand. So this is really nice for just getting more lands that you can continue to drop. So in landfall, you're wanting to be able to continually get a land drop, at least one every turn, preferably more. So you're using things to make it so you can play 2, 3, 4 lands every turn. But if you don't have 2, 3, 4 lands in your hand, this is a way to get one back that you could play again and get additional landfall triggers. So for that, I like this. A 2/2 with Trample and Haste for our red is great value. In my opinion, this is a very easy include in anything running red, really just because of how mana efficient that is. 1 mana, 2/2, Trample and Haste. It can swing as soon as it comes out. It can run over the chump blockers. So I don't see a reason why this wouldn't be just a instant include for anything running red. It definitely fits better in landfall than in most other reds for its other ability, but I think it still could just work if you need another creature, just any creature. This fits. If you're looking to shift your mana curve a little lower, this works for that too. Because if you have like something that's 1 in a red or 2 red, that's still a 2/2. This is a good alternative if that other 2/2 doesn't have extra abilities. This helps shift that curve down while still keeping the presence that you're looking for in a creature. Next we have our foil Deadly Alliance. Our land was a Plains, and we had a wildcard token to round out the pack. So that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.